Good morning, everyone. Just sitting on the back deck looking at these green things. Literally green things. Make me happy. Um, yeah. Oh, here's some over here. We'll get to these. That right there is going to be the moon. What is the moon um, plant? It's like a morning glory, but it blooms at night. So, yeah. Oh, there's my crocheted cross. We're just getting a good morning tour out here. Mama's still in bed. This lovely plant got attacked by aphids. Really made us sad. I treated it and it's trying to come out of it. I think what we have here is random peppers because Mom has a thing with putting seeds everywhere that she sees a pot of dirt. Those are struggling. I don't know what they are. I looked at it and I said it looks like a cantaloupe. It could be, but we haven't had rain in a while. I'm looking, y'all. There's more cantaloupe coming up. We did have a really good cantaloupe. Mom called it a muskmelon. And it was delicious. And so she kept seeds, put them right down in there. Don't know what happened. This thing, it's just freaking me out. It was supposed to be a touch me not that was blooming all up through here. But this guy is looking like it's had the worst for wear. It's the same as these, but they've not once bloomed. I'm not sure y'all have ever had that problem, but those cucumbers, y'all, they are not doing too well at all, literally. We have had 3 cucumbers off this vine. It appears to have a problem. There is a green leaf down there. This is Mom's little Japanese cherry bush. Oh, hey, cantaloupe. How you doing? Oh, y'all, I'm not kidding. Look. Yes, we do have stuff that might not make it past the first frost, but we'll see. We do still have some eggplant down in here. Yes, we do. These beauties are still doing their thing. And these, I'm telling ya, the green thumb Mom lives here. And no, I'm not talking about myself. That little eggplant it's trying, you all, to do something. Okay, we're going to lean over into this, raised garden bed. I see something red. Y'all see redness down there? Let me see. There. Oh, it is, y'all. Oh, right there. Right there is a lovely red pepper. Ooh, I'm excited about that. And we've got several green ones right in there. The wind is blowing. I see a blooming cucumber down in this vicinity. Let's see. A blooming cucumber right in there, I think. Maybe down that way. Let me move my finger. And a pepper. Oh my goodness, guys. Wow. I see another red pepper. 2 red peppers, guys. 2. 3. There's a big one down there. Okay. These tomatoes, yeah, they need help. They sort of took over here and are struggling. Mom's got some blooms over here in that pram, which is covered with maters, and the blooms, the flowers that are planted in there now are Thumbelina zinnias. Thumbelina. Y'all, thumbs up this video. But in the baby pram are Thumbelina zinnias. They're only about that high, and they're already trying to get some blooms on them. Tomatoes over here, my neighbor said they're taking over his side of the house, or the house that we share. It's a big townhouse duplex. And he has the most beautiful purple morning glories over here. Guys, look, look. I'm sorry, probably fuzzy because I've got it so magnified. Let me take it back down a few notches. He's got the beautiful pink morning glories, purple and pink. Yeah, they're beautiful. And I have a white one right there. One. There's several that are about to bloom, but I have white ones, and he has the beautiful pink ones. The bonus about that, y'all, is Mom loves to look at the beauty of these blooms, and because they're over on John's side, she can sit right here on the back deck and look at them beauties. They are sort of choking out my tomatoes, but it's okay. If those tomatoes over there ripen, I've done them ready. Said, John, help yourself. Now, these peppers right here, oh goodness, are very, very long. These are the banana peppers, okay? Sweet banana peppers. The little colorful ones here are not banana peppers. They're just the little sweet ones that are for cooking. They get about that big. So they're only about 2 or 3 inches long. And they're mature. But let's see. Maybe if you peek close enough, you can see our grow bags. There's black grow bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down there. 5 big grow bags down there. 7-gallon, I think, that have the most lovely 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 4 7-gallon grow bags in here with the hydrangeas that came from Aldi. Yeah. I do have squash right here. It's a squash bush. I didn't realize that. I put the stakes in here to help them climb if they wanted to climb. Those little cane poles, but those beauties are a bush. And look, let me see if I can focus in on a bloom for you guys. Yeah, yellow blooming right there. Those are the yellow squash. I can't wait. Zucchini, no. But the yellow squash still have some stuff to happen. I see some red. Y'all, I'm sorry. The wind is blowing me and the stuff that's happening up in here. Okay, that's the cucumber. But down in here, I saw some redness. I'm trying to focus on it, y'all. I don't know if I can get it in the view. There's a beautiful, beautiful red pepper down in there that is, there it is. Look, right there. If the wind would quit blowing, yep, there it is, y'all. Loving it, loving it. Okay. So many peppers happening. So many tomatoes that are on the vine that are green and have still plenty of time to ripen. I could probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, at least 12 tomatoes that are in the process of getting beautifully ripe. Sorry if I had my finger over the camera. These tomatoes are taller than I am, taller than Mom, and they are over here acting up too. Yeah, they're over here acting up. Under my back deck, we have amazing goosefoot still growing plentifully. So we have a whole bunch of stuff, guys, still happening in this little raised garden bed. And I have been following our friend James, who has a YouTube channel. I'll link it down. I think he's from Jersey, and he just has sort of encouraged us to keep planting. Mama's like, he said, grow your melons in the fall. Plant those seeds. And I'm like, yep, we did it. Okay, so we'll see what they do. I'm going to probably go in here and see if Mama is ready for coffee. She does have a tendency to sleep in. But we have a trip up north today, so I've got to get her